One present you get to open for Christmas. Merry Christmas!
Pickles? Yuck! Put that away from me. Oh, I don't want no pickles. No, not that. Like this? No broccoli. No broccoli. No broccoli! What is it?
Toothpaste.
What are these?
Deodorant.
What's deodorant?
Keeps your armpits smelling good.
She's gonna get hair.
Are you happy? Do you like your Christmas present?
What? What is it? Well, why'd you throw it on the floor?
It's a Barbie. You broke my heart.
Still, Santa said.
It's from Santa, huh? It's from Santa.
Santa's fault.
Next time you write to Santa.
If you want to open it, go ahead. Hopefully they got it right. They screwed it up? It was supposed to be Hester.
Yeah, I know how much you like soup.
No! No! What is this?
It's a sponge.
I want a car.
A car, yeah. Maybe on Christmas Day Santa will bring you a car.
Oh, what's the matter? Don't you like broccoli?
What is it?
Really, taco seasoning.
Yeah, don't you like tacos?
I'm only 6, I can't make it.
Yeah, you can.
Ugh.
Hold it open so I can see it. Hold it up. Oh, it's a 3DS. And
You got a 3DS.
a Mr. Potato Head. That's what you wanted for Christmas.
No, a 3DS game. This is the food that we get used up today. It's so weird that you give us no more. I'm going to just throw this away.
That's what you wanted, Sean.
You gave me the board